What up, YouTube? So as you see by the title, we installing them 345 badges on a RT. Yes, sir. So I went with the black and red because I'm gonna be doing some black and red accents on the car. I'm thinking about a black stripe, 2 black stripes with the red pinstripes on the side of the stripes. So the contrast should be pretty cool with that. But right here, I'm just showing y'all the packaging, how everything comes. Trying to give you like a detailed view of the emblems. Yeah, and just from the first, glance and first feel, they feel like good quality. I got them off Amazon for like $12.99. Nothing too crazy. But they feel good. I've seen a lot of videos about them peeling and the paint coming off. So we'll see. And right here, I'm just put some cleaner on the rag, and I'm cleaning the spot. I'm gonna put the emblem on, doing both sides. So you're gonna see me walk over and do the other side. But I think this is a much needed upgrade, just a light, little easy upgrade you could do for your car. If you just getting or you trying to put it together, this is something real light, but it adds a big bang to the aesthetics of the car. I'm really digging it. And you can see I'm putting it up so you could kind of get a view. It's like glossy. At the same time, it's like a sticky, not really sticky, but it's like a soft paint on there. So I think it's gonna hold nice. I've been watching a lot of videos. I've seen a lot of people upgrade their Hemi badge, but I got the stock one on. I kind of like the way it came out. It looks good to me. Right here, you see me measuring it. And the Hemi badge that I have is a little bigger than the sticker. So I'm going to individually do each number with a little bit of space in between, because I think that fits better than the way it came. It came real close and it wasn't going to be sitting right with me. That's just my preference. Everybody else could do it how they want, or, upgrade your Hemi badge. If I would have known, I might have just got a new Hemi badge also. But we're going to rock with what we got. I could do that later. So right here, I'm measuring it out, how far apart it should be to fit perfectly in between the whole Hemi sign, like from end to end. And I think I got it right. I think I got it. It look good. It look really good. And just this little upgrade alone, it just makes the car stand out even more. Truth be told. So, if you're going to do it like this, I just recommend you putting the 3 at the edge of the H for the Hemi. I put the 4 right directly in the middle, and I put the 5 at the end of the I from the Hemi. So, like I said, it's a little space in between, but I think it fits perfectly. I love this upgrade. So especially once I get my new brakes, either I'm gonna get some Brembos, or right now I'm gonna just paint the calipers red. I did that with my last car, my Mustang, like I talked about. So yeah, right here I'm just putting the numbers on one at a time. I was excited when this package came, because it's like, okay, if you've seen the last video, I had the diffuser that I bought that didn't fit, so I had to do the whole return. I just got my refund with that, so I'm still looking online for one that'll fit. If not, I'm gonna just go to American Muscle. I think they told me they had one. So that might just be my next video, getting a right rear diffuser. So yeah, man, it's looking good. As you can see, that 345 is up there. Just putting the 5 on. And I'm gonna give y'all a clear view at the end of how it looks. And y'all let me know if y'all like the way it look. You know, I'm open to criticism, but honestly, to me, I think it look good. Yes, sir. There we go. We in the dough. And just by the video, you know, it don't look spaced, as I'm saying. It don't look as spaced, but I've been watching other videos of the 345. They put it straight out the package, you know, and it's a little close to me. So there you go. 345 Hemi. Yes, sir.